walrus? What you think of yourself, huh, walrus? Come here. What? Yeah, do you walrus? Yeah. Yeah? Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Do it again. No. Oh, God. Yeah? What? Okay, okay. Do walrus again. Uh-huh. No. Come here. Come here. Come here. Do walrus again. Come on. Come on. Yeah. 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 Okay, do it right there. Yeah. 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 Uh-huh. What's that mean? What's that mean?
Have like the worst day at work.
What's that mean?
Such a bad mood
Yeah.
and come home and he does that and you can't help but smile.
Yeah. Yeah. What's that mean? You wanna be a walrus? Huh? What's that mean?
Alright. Halloween costume.
Oh my
Make
God.
him a walrus costume.
I think I would too.
My aunt
Yeah.
knows if we get the pattern, my aunt can make it.
Oh, that would be. Yeah.
See the walrus.
Foxy the walrus. Oh my goodness. Okay. Yeah. Okay, this is a long one video. Yeah. I'm gonna put this in a, what is that? That pet video? Something, pet tube. Yeah. Yeah. What's up? Uh-huh. Yeah, you too, Movie. Yeah. Oh, you wanna go outside? You wanna go outside? Movie. Yeah. Okay, you go outside. You too? Oh, bless you. Go outside. Bless you. Yeah. Go outside. Go outside. Okay, guys.